Differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is the process of finding the derivatives of a function, or it can be the process of finding the rate of change of one quantity with respect to another. There are many uses of differentiation. The first one, analysis of a function. The second, find the maximum and minimum value of variable. And the last one, to solve related rates problem, which is our main topic video.
So, what are related rates? Related rates is a concept when two related quantities are changing over time. The rates at which the quantities change are related. For an example, when a balloon is filled with air, the rate of change in the volume is related to the rate of change in the radius. In this case, we say that dVdt and dRdt are related rates because V is related to R. When do we use related rates? We apply related rates in many ways in our lives on a daily basis. Hence, there are many applications of it. For an example, when an ice cube is melting, when a balloon is filled with air, and when a container is filled with water.
So the next one is related rates problem. Usually, in a related rates problem, we were asked to compute the rate of change of one quantity in terms of the rate of change of another quantity. So the next one is how to solve related rates problem. There is 6 steps that you guys can follow. The first one is read the problem carefully and write down all the given information. The second one is sketch and label a graph or diagram if applicable. The next one is find an equation that relates the unknown variables by looking for geometric shapes, known formulas, ratios such as the Pythagorean theorem, area or volume formulas, or trigonometric identities. The fourth one is simplify the equation using appropriate substitution so that the chosen equation has only 2 variables. The next one is differentiate the equation implicitly with respect to time. The last one is substitute all known values into the derivative and solve for the final answer.
Problem statement.
Two cars, car A and car B, are on perpendicular roads, with car A traveling east at 50 km per hour and car B north at 60 km per hour. At a certain moment, car A is 3 km and car B is 4 km from the intersection. How fast is the distance between the two cars changing at the moment?
And then we need to sketch the direction, which is first from the north and the second one from the east. From the east, the car moves 50 km per hour. From north, the car moves 60 km per hour. So, the question is, how fast is the distance between the two cars changing at the moment? So, we can use theorem Pythagoras for this question. Let's say X as car A and Y as car B.
Then we just insert x and y to theorem Pythagoras formula. So we name it as D. We need to find dd over dt. And what we need to do is we need to change the square root to 1 over 2. And we just differentiate as usual, like this. So we need to insert dx over dt and dy over dt in 2x plus 2y, like this. And we already know about x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Then we just insert it like this. We already know about dx over dt and dy over dt. dx over dt is 50 km per hour, while dy over dt is 60 km per hour. Then we just insert it.
To conclude, related rates is very important in our daily lives. Without related rates, we cannot solve a certain question and predict an exact value when we are doing something that we can apply related rates. That's all from us. Thank you.